Kentucky, often hailed as the birthplace of bluegrass music, has a rich tapestry of cultural evolution rooted in its history. Emerging in the early 20th century, bluegrass evolved from earlier genres like Appalachian folk music and traditional country. The genre's name is derived from the Bluegrass Boys, the band led by Bill Monroe, who is regarded as the father of bluegrass. Monroe's innovative blend of folk, jazz, and blues created a distinctive sound characterized by high-pitched vocals, tight harmonies, and virtuoso instrumentation, featuring the banjo, mandolin, and fiddle. The 1945 Grand Ole Opry performance marked a pivotal moment, propelling bluegrass into the national spotlight. Kentucky's cultural landscape was also shaped by the Great Migration, as African-American musicians contributed vital rhythms and styles, enriching the bluegrass genre further. The annual International Bluegrass Music Association Awards and the wide-reaching influence of artists like Earl Scruggs and Alison Krauss have solidified Kentucky's status as a bluegrass epicenter. Today, festivals celebrate this vibrant legacy, drawing fans from across the globe and ensuring that the spirit of Kentucky's bluegrass music continues to thrive.